Kia's road-ready PV5 looks just like last year's concept. Pricing details for the Kia PV5 will be announced closer to its market arrival. The South Korean brand has yet to announce the technical specifications of the EV. Several different configurations will be offered to suit different customer needs. All PV5 models should offer vehicle-to-load and vehicle-to-grid features. It's been over a year since Kia unveiled its PV5 concept at CES, and now, it has showcased the all-electric van in production guise before its global premiere on February 27. Like so many other new Kia models introduced in recent years, the road-going version looks almost identical to the striking concept that previewed it. Both passenger and cargo versions of the PV5 will be built and sold by Kia. They have mostly similar designs, but there are some differences between them. Characterizing both models are bold front fascias with sharp LED daytime running lights flowing down from the base of the windshield. There is no traditional grille in sight and instead, a charging flap slap bang in the center of the PV5's nose. The main headlamps are positioned on either side of this charging port. Kind of like the Hyundai Staria, the windows of both the passenger and cargo versions of the PV5 are absolutely huge, and should give the van's cabin a very airy and spacious feeling. Chunky door handles not present on the original concept have been added to the production model. Obviously, the cargo model ditches the rear side windows and also adopts twin side-opening tailgate doors to allow for easy loading and unloading. For as unconventional as the front of the Kia PV5 is, the rear is mostly typical of a normal van with vertical LED taillights and large doors. Kia's road-ready PV5 looks just like last year's concept. Kia says that the PV5 will be sold in several different configurations and that additional versions, in addition to the passenger and cargo models, are in the works. There will also be specialized conversion options available, ensuring customers can spec out their PV5 to suit their specific needs. Unfortunately, Kia has yet to showcase the finished cabin of the PV5, nor has it offered any details about the all-electric powertrain. We suspect it will be offered in single and dual-motor configurations and should offer vehicle-to-load and vehicle-to-grid compatibility. All versions will be underpinned by Kia's Electric Complete Chassis Platform Module, ECCPM platform.